Hello, today I'm working on a Vizio 25-inch TV. I'll put the model number up above. And the problem is the TV takes too long to turn on, 25 minutes to 30 minutes. As soon as I push the power button, nothing happened. So, generally dealing with power boards, what you're going to find is capacitor failures. Immediately, I saw these two caps here, 2200 microfarad. I believe those are 10 volts. Yep, 10 volts. And those two are bad. And I saw this 100 microfarad, 50 volt cap. You can see that it's swelled on top. Maybe you can't. But it is. And I got the parts. So I'm going to replace them. And I'll see if it works. And this is after I install the power board back into the TV. Hey, it works! So there you have it. Replace the caps on that power board and your TV will work again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.